In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites that you can use to make $500 per day and 5 ways you can use them to monetize them. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites that you can use to earn money online and 5 different ways you can use to monetize them. Okay. Something really important, guys, that this is not something magical. This is not something that is going to be happening overnight. You need to watch the entire video. And most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation. Okay. So if you really want to share, change your life, have control of your life again, definitely this video is going to be helping you. Okay. It is actually possible to earn money online. But the thing is that nowadays people don't even fail. Most of the time, they don't even give it a try. They just quit. And I don't want you guys to be a quitter. Okay. Most likely, you're currently using these websites, but you don't know how to monetize them. Okay. First, I'm going to show you the websites. I'm going to be talking about them. And then I'm going to show you how to monetize them. So you can have the, the whole idea here, the whole perspective here. Okay. So what's the very first website that you can use? Definitely it's Pinterest. Okay. Most people don't know this, but Pinterest, it's a search engine and Pinterest, it's also a, it's also a social network. Okay. This is actually my back office. I'm going to click here. Okay. For example, here, I put weight loss. Okay. These are the pins. Okay. Which are actually really great. These are really, small images, sometimes videos, short form videos, but most importantly here, okay, when you click on them, okay, people are going to read small captions, a brief description. And if they click here, they're going to get the entire article or they're going to go directly to the product or service that you are promoting. Okay. So you don't need a lot of followers in order to get a lot of views. That's another great characteristic that Pinterest has if we have to compare it with another social network. And that's the reason why, um, you know, people are actually using Pinterest as a search engine. Okay, there's a study. I don't remember exactly who did it. I think it was Shopify. I'm not 100% sure about it right now. But there is a study that says that more than 50% of the people who do a search on Pinterest, they do it with the intention of buying a product or service that it recommends. Okay, so definitely there's a lot of buyers here. And as you notice, you can do really simple images. Most of the people who are on Pinterest are based in the US. That doesn't mean that there are not other people who are using Pinterest, but to take that into consideration, okay? So a really powerful social network, a really powerful search engine. For example, you can see this pin here, okay? This pin has been posted over 2 years ago. Okay, this pin was posted 2 years ago and still getting traffic. People are still getting information from it. People are still clicking on it. People are still saving it because you can save the pin on your board. Okay, it's not necessary for you to have a Pinterest account if you are actively browsing. Most people have it. As you can see here is what we call the social network. Here, people are actually leaving comments. Here is a brief description, and they can go ahead and visit the site. So Pinterest is the very first website, social network search engine that you can use if you're really serious about earning money online. Remember that at first I'm going to show you the websites, what's they're all about, okay? And then I'm going to tell you how you can monetize. The second website is called Medium. As unlike Medium, there are other websites that you can use that they're similar to Medium. Okay. This is a website that ranks a lot of articles on the search engines. Okay. This is a website that ranks a lot of articles on the search engine. And uh, what you can do, guys, is literally you can share your knowledge and you're going to get a lot of eyeballs. Okay. Are going to get a lot of eyeballs. But remember, this is, again, the same with Pinterest and the same with the other website I'm going to show you. This is not something that you're going to be doing once and the magic is going to happen. Okay. Yeah. There are chances that you can go viral, but definitely you need to be consistent. You can put as many articles as you want and here Medium. By the time recording this video, you can do this for free. There are also other alternatives like Vocal Media. Okay. So you're going to get a lot of eyeballs, people who are the same as with Pinterest. They're searching for the information. They're looking for the information. They're looking for a solution of a problem. Okay. Now I'm going to be talking about the social networks. Okay. Chances are that you have, account on every single social network. I'm pretty sure you have a Facebook profile. Maybe you have a TikTok account or an Instagram account. Okay. Well, Pinterest, I already told you it's another social network. Okay. So, you know, people, yeah, when they go to the social network, most of them, the difference between Pinterest and the regular social network is that there is no like a buyer intent. Okay. There's no such a thing as a buyer intent. But if you show them something, okay, that is going to attract them, okay, if you have a hook, a really powerful hook, you can get a lot of eyeballs to what you're offering. And with the social networks nowadays, you don't have to talk if you don't want to. You don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. And you're going to get a really powerful message in front of tons of people. Okay. They're going to stop scrolling. They're going to pay attention to what you have to offer. And if they click with them, you're going to have a lot of eyeballs. Man, you can go viral nowadays. And take this into perspective because sometimes people are like, well, I'm getting 100 views. That's not a lot. If you fill a room with 100 views, with 100 persons, you're going to notice that it's a lot of people, especially if they're interested in what you are offering and what you're talking about. And that's actually really, really powerful. Okay. And another thing that you have to take into consideration is the fact that not everybody's going to follow you. Okay. Not everybody's going to follow you. Not everybody is going to take action, but at the end of the day, it's a numbers game. Okay. With the social network, it's a numbers game. You're going to have a lot of eyeballs. Some of them are going to raise their hand and they're going to say like, hey, yes, this is actually me. And social network is really powerful because you can create content in one and you can upload that same content to the other social networks. Okay. So there is also LinkedIn and SlideShare. Okay. LinkedIn, is a professional social network. People are, uh, it's more like it can be based on business to business, but also it's business to customer. You know, it has a feed like Facebook. You can connect with people. You can message people. You can put your thoughts. You can join groups. Okay. But it's not as spammy as when people use Facebook. So there's a huge potential out there. The same with SlideShare. If you go to slideshare.com, you see here, for example, they have the topics here. Okay. So if this is more like, it's like the PowerPoint thing, with the data shows and all the stuff that you're going to be sharing resources. Okay. There's a lot of things here and you can share your knowledge. Okay. You can become an expert. And by expert, there is no mean like, oh, I have to know it all. No, 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 no. Okay. You don't have to know it all. And you just need to share literally what you know. And as you can see, There is a lot of topics here that you can actually share about. Okay. And you can share your information so people can contact you. You can share your funnel if you have a funnel. Okay. If you have a free resource or if you have a paid resource, you can actually do that here on both LinkedIn and share a sale. Okay. The the next website I'm going to be talking about, it's definitely YouTube. YouTube is really powerful. Again, it has a social base as Pinterest, and it's also a social search engine. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine just besides Google. Okay, the most important search engine nowadays it's Google. So people are, looking for information. They're active on this. The videos are also listed on Google, which is actually extremely important. Okay. The things are actually listed on Google. So chances are that when you're doing a search, you're going to see the ads. You're going to see related YouTube videos, and then you're going to see the websites that are listed. Okay. So this is actually really powerful. Okay. This is actually really powerful because you can have a small amount of views, but people are really, really interested on what you have to offer. They're really active in looking for a solution, in looking for the information. Okay. Um, and this is also extremely important. Like in all of them, you need to have call to actions. People need to know what they have to do next in order to get the solution that you are offering. Okay. Remember that you're not like a commercial that people are going to watch it, read it, see it, and that's it. Okay. No. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, you know that you can use these websites. You can create an account in all of them for free. Okay. As I told you before, chances are that you already have a social media account. If you want, you can open another social media account for free. But Diana, how do we monetize them? Okay. How do we actually monetize them? Well, there are different things. You can be a coach. Okay. Remember that in order to be a coach, you don't need to be some kind of guru. You're going to teach what you know. There are most people that don't know what you already know, and that's your target audience. Okay. Remember that on everything there are beginners, intermediate, and advanced or experts. Okay. If you are, at the intermediate level, you can be a coach for those who are beginning their journey. Okay. In whatever expertise you have, you can do that. Okay. This can be group coaching, or it can be one-on-one. At the end of the day, it's going to depend on you. Okay. Another thing is that you can be a freelance writing. Okay. You can be a freelance. This is one service that you can do. You can be a freelance writer. Okay. You can, for example, you can go to Pinterest and you can actually be sharing tips. Okay. I'm going to show you here. Okay. Freelance. Okay. Here I have freelance writing jobs. Okay. You can be sharing tips and you can offer your service. Okay. As a freelancer. Okay. That's one thing that you can actually do. You can be sharing your information that way. You can also start a blog. Is that what you're looking for? You can drive traffic from all these mediums. Okay. You can also sell online a course. Okay. You can also do that. You can also sell online a course, and you can literally package your knowledge. Okay. This is different from coaching because in the coaching, you're live with people, answering them information, sharing your expertise. Here it's pre-recorded videos. Okay. These are pre-recorded videos. that people are going to watch in their turn, in their pace and all the stuff. But definitely this is something. And remember, the same with the coaching. There are people who are at the beginner level, intermediate, and advanced or expert. Okay. Depending on your level of expertise. Okay. Even if you consider yourself a beginner, there are people who are on ground zero. They haven't studied. They want to know what you know. And that's the starting point. Okay. You can also sell physical products. Okay. In all the social, in all the websites that I mentioned, you can put your link and start selling physical products, not only digital, like an online course. And in the course also, you can also offer ebooks, guide, cheat sheets, all the stuff you can offer as well. But here for also you can sell a physical product. Okay, that's also another route. You can sell a physical product. You can do this by drop shipping, or you can also have your stock, or you can also go to Amazon and use Amazon FBA, and maybe you're going to be talking about the products that you have on stock. So whenever you're referring them to Amazon, it's going to be to your Amazon products, to your store on Amazon. You can also be doing affiliate marketing. That means that you're going to be recommending other people products and services. You can recommend as many products as you want. Okay. You can have a funnel, okay, with an email sequence that is going to be, doing the sales for you automatically. Okay. And you can recommend as many products as you want. Okay. These can be physical products. These can be digital products. So if you want, you can recommend a course that someone else create. You can also recommend physical products. You don't need to be dealing with customer service, payment processor. You don't need to be, you know, uh, giving tech support or support as well. Literally, you're driving traffic using the website that I already suggest you. So you're going to be sending eyeballs to the offer that you are recommending. Okay. So remember, guys, that there are different ways. You can combine them also if you want. You can be like, well, Diana, maybe I'm going to be offering my coaching program, but also I'm going to be doing affiliate marketing. Yeah, you can actually do that as well. So you can hit your goal. Okay. Here I put as an example $500, which is actually possible. In my experience, there has been days that I earn over $2,000, which is actually really incredible, really amazing. Okay. So you can actually do this. Okay. The, the ways that you can monetize on the internet, okay, they're limitless, but you need to start with one. You need to be consistent with it, and then you can go with the other. At least that's my opinion based on my experience. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.